Delta SkyMiles can be priceless, or basically pennies, depending on how you redeem. SkyMiles don't have a fixed value because award prices move with demand, not a chart. That means the same flight can cost wildly different miles on different days, and using miles on a cheap cash fare usually wastes them. A smart redemption replaces money you would truly spend, like a pricey peak time trip, not a Hawaii sale. Remember, you still pay taxes and fees either way. And miles never cancel credit card interest, so don't carry a balance to earn more. To redeem SkyMiles smartly, you need one simple yardstick: cents per mile. Take the cash price you'd actually pay, subtract the taxes and fees you'll still owe on an award, then divide by miles required. Many people set a personal floor, often 1 cent per mile, and skip anything below it. Always compare against the real cash price because sales can make miles a bad deal. Write down your target range so you stay consistent and avoid impulse redemptions. The fastest way to make the right call is to price cash first, then price miles for the exact same flight. Once you pull the miles required, add the award taxes and fees because those are real dollars leaving your pocket. Now compute cents per mile and compare it to a simple baseline like 1 cent. Below that, pay cash and save miles. The best uses usually show up when demand spikes: holidays, last-minute trips, and popular routes, because cash prices jump faster than your mile balance. Good award value disappears if you compare the wrong flights, so match cabin and times exactly before you judge the deal. Then look for saver level availability, because limited inventory is what creates the best pricing. Audit the routing too. Long layovers and weird connections can turn a deal into a headache. Price one-way segments, since splitting directions can beat round-trip pricing. Also, factor change and cancel rules, and compare taxes and fees because two awards with the same miles can cost different cash. Once you book, protect yourself like it's a cash purchase. Confirm every passenger detail because fixing names and birth dates can be painful later. Verify the trip is actually ticketed, not just held, and save every confirmation number. Screenshot the price breakdown so you can dispute errors or reprice comparisons. Know your cancellation window and any refund rules before you click submit. Finally, double-check the payment method for taxes and fees, since the wrong card can mean less protection or missed rewards. If your cents per mile comes out under 1 cent after fees, paying cash is usually the smarter move. CreditCardAgent matches you to cards based on how you actually spend and shows the estimated annual dollar impact versus your current setup. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.